Today I'm taking a deep dive into MarketMuse, a platform that's been getting a lot of attention in the content and SEO world. Right when you land on the dashboard, you're met with a clean interface that highlights key areas like research, optimize, compete, and inventory. These are the core tools MarketMuse offers, and each one plays a specific role in how you approach content strategy. Starting with the research feature, this is where MarketMuse pulls data from top-performing content across the web. It then provides a list of related topics and keyword suggestions based on your input. This is helpful for building semantic relevance and depth in your content. However, it's worth noting that while the suggestions are useful, they can sometimes include terms that are too generic or not entirely relevant to your specific niche. Next is the optimize function. This is where you paste in existing content and let MarketMuse analyze it against its topic model. The tool gives your content a score and compares it to competitors. One thing I noticed is that the scoring can sometimes feel inconsistent, especially with niche topics that may not have as much data backing them. Still, the content suggestions can improve your topical authority if used thoughtfully. The Compete tool lets you see how your content stacks up against what's already ranking on Google. It's a helpful feature, especially when trying to outrank a specific competitor. The heat map visualization shows where your content is lacking compared to top-performing articles. That said, it can feel overwhelming for beginners because of how much data is presented at once. The inventory feature is a dashboard of all your content assets. You can see what needs to be updated, what performs well, and where there's room for improvement. This is especially useful for large teams managing dozens or hundreds of pages. However, setting this up can be time-consuming, and some integrations with CMS platforms are limited or clunky. Many useful links you can find in the description. MarketMuse also offers content briefs, which are AI-generated outlines that help writers structure new articles. These briefs include recommended headings, questions to answer, and keywords to include. They are detailed and genuinely save time, but again, the AI is not perfect. Sometimes, the recommended structure might not match your tone or content goals, requiring manual adjustments. One of the downsides of MarketMuse is its pricing. It's definitely on the premium side, which might not be feasible for freelancers or small agencies. The free version is extremely limited, and to unlock full features, like unlimited briefs and advanced topic research, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Another area where MarketMuse could improve is its real-time content scoring. Unlike some competitors that offer Google Docs or WordPress plugins, MarketMuse still relies heavily on its in-browser editor, which can slow down your workflow if you're used to writing directly in your CMS. Overall, MarketMuse is powerful for strategic content planning and SEO-driven writing. It works best for teams and professionals who are serious about scaling their content and have the budget to invest in AI-powered insights. But it's not a magic wand. You still need to vet its suggestions and use human judgment to produce quality content. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the best tools in digital marketing and SEO.